All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to go over how I made $15,000 in just 30 days with my YouTube affiliate marketing strategy. So let's jump in. I'm going to show you some proof, and then I'm going to show you the steps that it takes in order to get to this level. You're most likely not going to make $15,000 your first month on YouTube unless you are already a celebrity or big name marketer or guru. But what I do is I teach people the simple way to create simple YouTube channels where you don't even have to be on camera, and it's not what you're typically thinking of as quote unquote faceless YouTube channels, which you are taught to go out and hire a team on Fiverr or Upwork and put together a script writer and a voiceover artist and a video editor and do all these things. I don't teach that. I teach recording your screen and recording your voice and teaching people how to either use software, how to do things, how to do tutorials and so forth. You don't even have to get on camera. And I've made a $440,000 total doing this. And I'm going to show you one of the months that I had this year, just a few months back, that I made $15,000 profit in just 30 days. So you can see right here that I've selected June right here. So this is June 1st to June 30th of 2024. And you can see my turnover was $17,403. And what I'm doing is I'm actually sharing with you my profit and loss statement, my P&L, right? And so even though I was able to bring in over $17,000 into my business, you can see most of it is affiliate marketing. This is affiliate income. What is basically affiliate income right there. All this is pretty much affiliate income. Right over here, look, impact affiliate income. I teach you guys how to go to impact different brands or something like that. Sign up to be an affiliate and then go promote those products over $4,000 that month. These are all affiliate products right over here. Warrior Plus affiliate commission had a good month as well. YouTube pays me. So the cool thing about the way that I teach you is that you get to create these awesome videos where you're helping people. You also get to make some really good affiliate commissions, and then you also get paid by YouTube to create the content as well. So it's a win-win. There's several ways to get paid doing these strategies. But you can see down over here, our expenses was $2,800. And so we ended up at $14,500. I'm rounding that to $15,000. And you can see that really the biggest monthly expense cost that I have is my software monthly subscriptions, right? So I pay a lot of money for, and then software one-time expense. So these are things that I purchase, and probably if I really was honest, I could probably dwindle that down, or I could subtract that down to probably about $500 a month is all I really need in my kind of mature online business that I've been doing for 4 years now. I only need about $500 a month to run this. Once you start making these kind of commissions, sometimes you get a little bit careless. You sign up for things you don't really need. You forget about them, and then you end up paying for them and so forth. So you do want to monitor your expenses in your business, but this just shows you, I'm showing you what most people don't show you, which is how much money they're making. This is called revenue. And what you actually get to put in your pocket at the end of the month after expenses is actually going to be down here, which is $14,500. So I wanted to show you that. No one shows you this stuff. No one's transparent like this, but I'm showing you what this business really looks like. And I've already made over $100,000 this year, and we're in Q4 right now. So we have a couple more months. I want to finish the year solid, but that's what I'm here for, is to teach you how to do this. So let me talk to you about how this is actually done. So I kind of went over this in yesterday's video, but I really want to kind of cement this in your mind that this is exactly what I do on a daily basis with my YouTube channels in order to make this happen. And anybody can go out there and do this as well. So step one, you're going to go and pick your niche. You can go and kind of pick a product that you like. You can reverse this. People get they get really particular about like, oh, should I pick a niche first or should I pick a product? It doesn't really matter. Pick a product, and then you kind of already have, you're basically, if you're passionate about a product and you're using it, the niche is already picked for you. If you want to promote that and build a YouTube channel around that one product, then your niche is already selected, right? So you can pick your niche in your YouTube channel based on a premium product that you use on a daily basis that you want to go out and start promoting. That basically is going to be your product, and niche is already selected. Sometimes we have no idea what we want to do. We start from brainstorming and we just go and write down all of our interests. We go into ChatGPT or Claude. We say, hey, here's my interests. Can you give me, 10 to 15 faceless YouTube channel ideas where I'm going to be recording my screen and teaching people things. Here's my interests. Can you come up with these niche ideas for me? And then you'll be blown away. It's going to go ahead and go out and do all that work for you. You're going to have the answer within seconds. It's not that hard. People overcomplicate this niche picking thing when at the end of the day, you can actually pick a niche, create a YouTube channel, channel, go and create your first 30 videos. And then if the needle's not moving and you had no standout videos, then you can pivot at that point. You can pivot. It's early in your YouTube journey, and on that channel, you can always switch to continue trying to find that topic that's resonating and getting views. And then that's when you know you'll have your niche, and then you start going and doubling and tripling down on that content. Okay. So you've got to pick your niche, right? Obviously. And then step 2, you're going to find your product. We kind of already talked about that. Step 3, you're going to create a content plan. Go watch my video from yesterday, and I show you exactly how to create that content plan. We can use AI, we can use ChatGPT. We can also use keyword research tools to go out there and help us find what people are actually searching for. And so you can either do a 50-50 split, where 50% are viral type content, where you're trying to get more on the suggested and browse features. You're trying to hit the YouTube algorithm. You're not really trying to rank for what people are searching for. And then the other 50% of the time, you're actually intentionally creating content for a keyword that people are searching for. So you have a good chance of getting traffic through the YouTube search algorithm. And basically YouTube is the second largest search engine on earth. So you want to also be creating evergreen SEO content as well. So what I like to do is do both. And you'll have some standout viral type videos that are what I call suggested videos. And you'll have some of them that will get 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 views. And that will really help get you your subscriber base and so forth. But then you'll also have a really good content plan with ranking your content and getting views and subscribers that way as well. And then you can move that and adjust it the way you want. You can do a 70-30 split, which is 70% viral topics or 70% SEO. We get kind of tied up with this decision making of like, how do I make a perfect content plan? It doesn't really exist. The only perfect content plan that I can tell you right now is to go out there and create content on a daily basis, become a content creator, not a content consumer. Stop chasing all these shiny objects and actually go out there and start taking action. Okay. And if you want more direction, more direct direction on exactly how to do this, then click the first link below, because I just launched a brand new school community. It's free to join right now. You want to get in right now at the grand opening of it. We already have, in just a couple of days, 51 members over here. It's a very engaged community. We're already hitting if I go over to settings, and then I go over to discovery, you can see we're at 1430. When we started this up, we were at like 2,300 ranking. What I want to do is get this under 1,000, and we're getting close. I've seen this as low as 1,250, depending on the day and what time of day it is. This is changing every hour. This gets updated. And so I'd like to get this to under 1,000, and that's based on the community engagement. So if you are ready to take action once and for all on your YouTube affiliate journey, and it excites you, the numbers that I show you, the income that I'm making. I'm just an everyday average person, nothing special about me. I wouldn't even say that I'm well-spoken or anything like that, but I'm just somebody that if I have a formula, I have a good work ethic, and I will continue to be consistent. And that's what got me my results, was consistency, showing up every day and continuing to be motivated, even when I had bad days where I created content and it didn't get any views or anything like that. I kept going, and I refused to take no for an answer. And then YouTube worked out for me, and I believe that YouTube can work out for you as well. So go ahead, join this exciting community. Go ahead and create a YouTube channel that earns affiliate commissions while you sleep. Every morning when I wake up, I do have sales that happen while I'm sleeping. It's because people from all over the world are buying products and clicking on my affiliate links while I'm sleeping, and then they're buying those, and I get to make money while I'm sleeping. This is the most exciting business, because you can take vacation, you can take time off, you get to set your own schedule, and you get to make money, basically nonstop. And so click that first link below, go join YouTube Affiliate Launchpad while it's still a free community. Let's make this the best YouTube affiliate community on the school platform, okay? So once you are done creating your content plan, and remember, go watch the video from before this video, the one that right before this video. Just go over to the channel, click on channel, go find this video, and then watch the one right before this one. That one is going to go show you exactly how I create content plans. And even better yet, if you join the YouTube Affiliate Launchpad, I have a free course in there, and this is premium course. I could easily sell this for $100 or even $497. It's a premium course with 20 20, 30-minute videos in there. And it's going to be 10 videos that you're going to get that's going to help you along the way on your journey. You're going to know exactly what to do, from what microphone to pick, what screen recording software to use. I'm giving away all the good stuff just kind of as a way of giving back to the community and giving back to people that want to do this. They don't need to buy anything from me. They can go in there and for free get started. There is, I think it's video 5 in the YouTube affiliate launchpad. That's actually the course as well. You get access to that. And video 5 is a 30-minute video on creating the perfect content plan for you. I even show you how to open up Excel or Google Sheets, how to set all of your or columns and get this all organized so you know exactly what video you're going to create next. And there's no excuses. The only excuse is you not showing up and putting 1 to 2 hours a day into your business. If you guys want to make money online, right, there's got to be a trade-off. You've got to actually be able to go out there and work for it. You can't just push a couple buttons. There's no magic formula. There's no magic button or anything like that that exists. If you're not willing to work an hour or two a day on your business and grow it and set real goals, and then sustain that for a year, give yourself a year, and then look back and be like, you know what? If I hadn't have started this journey, I wouldn't have made an extra $10,000 in my pocket this year on my side hustle, right? And then it just continues to grow from that point. So those are the kind of people that I want to work with and that I want to teach. So then you're going to move into step 4, follow your content plan, create and publish videos daily. This is what I just alluded to. You've got to show up, you've got to follow your content plan, and you've got to create and publish videos daily. The moment that I said, hey, I'm going to stop buying all these shiny objects, I'm going to stop buying all these Warrior Plus products, they're kind of crap, right? And they've never gotten me results. I'm going to stop doing that. And I'm actually, instead of being what I call a content consumer, you're consuming other creators' content all the time and you're not taking action on your own business. When I made that decision to be a content creator, I flipped the script for myself, and that's when everything changed for me, and it can be the same story for you as well, okay? And then step 5, of course, the simplicity of this is that you drop your affiliate link, and this can be different channel types. You can do channel types where it's like a new product every single day, more of a new review type of channel. I do software reviews, and so naturally it's gonna be a new software almost every single day and so forth. But what I really recommend, so you can laser focus in on a really high premium, good paying type affiliate program where they pay you monthly on a reoccurring basis, that's even better because you can build a whole audience that's passionate about one particular like niche, right? And then you can sell really good software to them and then build up your affiliate income that way. And so obviously you put your affiliate link in every video and you start building an affiliate income as well. So that's step 5, super cool. So I've got these questions for you and then we'll wrap this video up. So what are you doing with this strategy? What are we actually doing, right? Well, you're building an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you, okay? So this is the secret behind the strategy. Build an audience, simple, right? So what you're actually doing, if you go and you set out the next 30 days, I'm going to create 10 videos or 15 videos or 20 videos. If you're feeling really on fire, creating 1 video per day, Monday through Friday is like, if you really want to grow this, that's what I recommend doing. 20 videos per month. In 3 months, 90 days, you're going to have 60 videos out there. You're going to know what videos are hitting, what videos don't work. You're going to be able to, you're already going to be making money. If you actually take that much action in the next 90 days, you're going to actually start making money. I refuse to believe that you're not going to make money because I've simply seen it with my own students that have come in to my other programs and they've followed directions and then now they're making thousands of dollars. You can be the next student if you actually come in and take action. But really, when you take a step back and you look at what's actually happening with this, is that you're building an audience. You're building a passionate audience, a targeted audience that is interested in the subject matter, right? For example, if you build a YouTube channel that's all about publishing Amazon KDP fiction books, then your entire channel is very specific. It's not just a KDP channel, right? You could do that, but it's very competitive and it's kind of all over the place. You could be doing low content books, fiction books, nonfiction books. There's all kinds of different things you could be publishing, creating content on. But if you really define that down to like, hey, we're going to create coloring books, right? If you create an entire channel on just coloring books, selling them on Etsy or Amazon KDP, that's a lot more laser targeted. And you think that if you were a coloring book software, people are going to be much more likely to buy from you, or a course you teaching them how to do this. They're going to be much more likely to purchase from you because you are becoming an expert in that field and that specific niche. Okay. So that is the secret: building an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you, that wants to show up and watch your content when you come out with new videos. That's how you're going to be able to build this YouTube business. So thanks for joining me. Make sure to click the first link below and join the YouTube Affiliate Launchpad. I'd love to have you. See you in the next video.